Make a statement with this new chic and stylish iPad speaker dock, the IMM747 from iluv. This superb speaker dock plays, charges and beautifully displays your iPad and enables you to watch all your latest movies or YouTube videos, as well as having the ability to run apps and play games whilst docked. Ideal on the desk or in your home with triple speakers and flexible dock structure, it is also the perfect companion for your iPhone or iPod and has a fantastic PC or Mac sync feature with auxiliary line input. J-Aura's sound cell technology gives impeccable sound quality, with 3 drivers per speaker channel giving superior depth and clarity, while powerful amplifiers provide better efficiency and performance. Wake to your favourite song. The dock establishes the full functions of the iluv alarm clock application with multiple alarms to wake to, alarm display and weather information. The IMM747 from iluv, the perfect partner.